Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the fiber type and visually inspecting connectors. This matters because single-mode versus multi-mode behave differently. Clean each connector with alcohol and a lint-free wipe, then seat the fiber in the identifier gently. Power the unit on, select the correct wavelength, adjust sensitivity to avoid false signals, and choose passive or live test mode. Once done, verify the display shows signal strength and direction before proceeding. This ensures reliable readings, and we now attach the non-intrusive probe or clamp to the fiber jacket. Never strip or cut the fiber. Select the tracing or identifier mode, then slowly sweep along the cable run while observing the directional arrow and dB or relative strength scale. This tells you signal direction and approximate loss. Mark identified fibers and record channel ID, strength, and any intermittent drops. If you see fluctuating readings, pause and reseat the probe, because movement or poor contact often causes false variations. You finish by confirming identification against patch panel labels, and when needed, running a quick continuity check with an OTDR or visible fault locator to validate the path. Document the port, fiber ID, wavelength, measured dB, and timestamp so future work is traceable. If you get no signal, troubleshoot methodically. Re-clean and reseat connectors, verify the remote transmitter is powered and using the same wavelength, and suspect a break if all else fails. One key tip: if readings are noisy, increase averaging before condemning the link.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.